What if I told you that all those math problems you learned in school that you thought you were never going to use again, you could actually make up to $300 a week just doing math problems online? I'm going to reveal to you that very method in this video, so stay to the end. Let's go. All right, guys, now before we get started, I'm going to get into this straight away. I'm not going to delay too long, but I want to explain something. All you need to do to make money online or anywhere else in life is to figure out how you can add value. I know that's a really tough subject or concept for a lot of people to understand. A lot of people graduate high school and then they say, okay, what's next? And they don't know. And then college comes along with all their marketing tactics, their recruiters, their salespeople, the whole society at large trying to tell you you need to go to college. The problem with that is we now live in 2022 at the time of this video, and almost anybody can get into college. Okay, you have to think about things in terms of supply and demand. If almost everyone has a degree in the subject you're going to go for, regardless of what it is, then you're not going to stand out in the marketplace. That's why so many people are graduating college, either finding a job that has nothing to do with their degree, or not finding a job at all and still, with a college degree working at McDonald's or something. The reason for that is because they haven't figured out the key to life is really how can you add value. If all you can do is the same thing that everyone else can do, then you don't really add value, and therefore you do not deserve to get paid more. That's all you need to do. All you need to do is figure out what 99% of people are doing and do only what 1% are doing. Do the complete opposite of what everyone else is doing. Everyone else is going to college and everyone else is doing all this other stuff. Do the opposite, okay? So I'm always a big proponent of being an entrepreneur, figuring out how to make money on your own, how you can add value on your own, reading, learning, studying on your own time. You don't need someone else to tell you to go out and read and study and learn and do all these things. You can do that on your own free time. And now, even more so than before, we had the internet. We have a place, YouTube, Google, Bing, I don't care what you use, where you can literally look up information any time of the day in less than 5 seconds. So there's no excuse for you to walk around life and be like, oh, I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to do that. It's literally just a YouTube search away. So with that being said, if it's your first time on this channel right here, I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too and you're looking to make money online, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into this. Now I wanted to make this video real quick because I was doing some research and I found some of my friends, most of my friends, because I only have like 3, were actually looking into doing this. And you can do this part-time, you can do this on your own time, set your own schedule, which is what we love on this channel. Be your own boss, have your own lifestyle, and all you have to do is basically be a math tutor online, just helping people, students from all over the world, figure out math problems. So when you were sitting in school and you were trying to figure out, what do I need this math stuff for? This stuff is silly. Well, now you can actually use a lot of that information. And if you need to brush up on math or whatever, then, again, use Google, YouTube, brush up on it, get your skills back up. It's like riding a bike. It'll kick back in, okay? So here's the first website we want to go to. I'm going to leave this down in the description because it's kind of a weird sounding site, but it's expert.photostudy.co, not .com, .co. And this is where you can go and apply and become a tutor, okay? And it's really simple. Here are the steps to applying, okay? First, you have to connect with a Facebook account. So you need a Facebook account, not a Facebook page, not a business page, not a fan page, just your own regular Facebook profile where you talk to grandma every single day, okay? You just need that. That's all you need. And then when you connect with your Facebook account, they're gonna make you watch 3 short videos, basically like a little mini training, okay? Just so you're about to be a tutor, you're about to teach people how to do math and whatnot. All you need to do is watch 3 short videos, and then bam, you're back to school, because you're gonna start doing tests, you're gonna start doing quizzes, and you're gonna figure out, am I really still good at math or not? If you fail, it's okay, go back to the drawing board, take the test again, etc. All you need to do is pass some simple tests, show what your math skills are, and there is really no pass or fail. It's really how good at math are you, so that we can place you properly. If you're not great at calculus and all this extracurricular crazy stuff, that's fine. But if you're okay and pretty good at, say, algebra or long division or something like that, okay, we'll place you there. And when someone needs long division, all that other simple stuff, I think it's simple, I haven't done it in a long time, but when you are good at that, then that's what you're going to be a tutor for, okay? The next thing is you're actually going to start earning, period, point blank, okay? And on this particular site, you can make up to $300 a week. I've seen people make more. It all depends on you. It all depends how much you want to put in. It only takes about 10 minutes. You can see right here, 10-minute chat sessions. So 10 minutes at a time, you start banking money, okay? Simple and easy. You talk to a student for 10 minutes, help them solve problems, help them wherever they're stuck, help them understand the process of how you got your answer, etc., etc. And when they report that they had a positive experience with you, you go ahead and collect your income. It could be $25, $50, $100, whatever. Okay, so very, very simple stuff. You sign up here, and now you have become a full-time tutor. For those of you who had a passion for teaching or helping other people solve problems and do their schoolwork, bam, there you go. You can make up to $1,000 plus per month as a photo study expert, as they advertise here, but the plus is real. Like, you can actually make more. The more time you dedicate to this, the more you get popular on the app, on the website, and people know you as a great mathematician, then you're more in demand and you can actually make more. But for those of you who are just so-so at math and want to make some side income, this is another perfect website for you. You go ahead and whenever you're called, you help someone solve a simple problem that might be simple to you, but not so simple as somebody else. Boom, you get some extra cash in your pocket. Now, if you're liking the value I'm giving you so far, please don't be one of those viewers on YouTube who just passively watch videos and don't give anything back, because us as subscribers, especially me, I love when you hit that like button, that thumbs up down below. That's all we ask for. I've done the research. I put this video together for you. All I want is for you to smash that thumbs up button. That's highly appreciated. I really love when you guys do that. And it helps me in the YouTube algorithm. It helps me when YouTube looks at my videos and my channel and says, hey, you get a lot of thumbs up. Here's some more reward for you. So all you have to do is hit that thumbs up. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to call me or anything. Just hit the thumbs up button. Okay, now let's keep going. So the next website here, and you can see I just pulled it up. I'm going to leave these down in the description again because they're kind of weird the way they're written out, so that you guys have that. But this one is called Photo Math, and it's very similar to the other one. Okay, it's very similar. So be on both apps. If you're trying to make this like a full-time thing where you're going to be a tutor and you're going to get paid for helping people do math, then by all means, collect as many websites as you can. Be on as many of them as you can. This one's actually an app you can do on your phone. So when you're, on your way to your grandma's house, or you're just sitting at the subway, or you're at McDonald's, whatever. Okay, you're just sitting there, you're on your phone, and you're enjoying life, and you can just still help people with their math problems and get paid for it. And this one comes as an app, either on the App Store or on Google Play and all that stuff. So this one is even easier than the last one. As you can see, very simple to sign up, create an account, take a few tests just like the other one, and you can start earning money just for helping people with their math problems, okay? I can't think of an easier way to make money. Obviously, the better you are at math, again, you know trigonometry and calculus and all that stuff, then hey, you're gonna probably earn more, you're gonna be in higher demand. If you just know some simple stuff, you can still make money, not a whole ton. None of this is going to make you a millionaire, but hopefully the idea is this will take you out of your 9-to-5, which is the whole goal of this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're doing. The whole goal of this channel is to take you out of your 9-to-5, have you be at home with your kids, enjoying life, and make your own hours. Forget all that old school industrial job stuff, 9-to-5. You don't need that stuff anymore, okay? It's 2022 at the time of this recording. All that stuff is dead and gone, okay? And if you want my absolute favorite method of making money online, staying home, passive income, money while you sleep, click on the first link down in the description below. That's my course. It's all about something called affiliate marketing. It's a beautiful, wonderful thing. It's easy. Anybody can do it. Anybody can get started, and you don't have to be some kind of technical genius or anything. I walk you through all the the methods that I use myself every single day, okay? Now, with that being said, if you want to also learn how to, more ways of making money online, then click on this playlist that just popped up on the left side, I think over here. And I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.